In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text inside table cells in Notion. This quick tutorial is all about making sure your Notion workspace looks clean and professional without any unnecessary fluff. So, let's dive straight into it. First, start by opening a new page in Notion. Once you have your blank canvas in front of you, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new blocks to your page. Click on it and select Table from the drop-down menu. You'll notice a fresh, empty table appears on your screen, ready for customization. Now, to transform this into something more functional, click on the three dots you see in the top corner of the table. This icon is your shortcut to various options for enhancing your table. After clicking, you'll see a menu, and from there, select Turn into Database. This step is key because Notion databases offer more flexibility and features, allowing you to really maximize the utility of your table. Next, let's focus on wrapping the text. Click into any cell within your new table and type a long sentence or even a full paragraph. The idea here is to enter enough text so that it exceeds the width of the column. This excess text is what we want to manage and wrap effectively. Once you've filled your cell with content, draw your attention to the right edge of the table. You'll spot a settings icon. Click that to open up a comprehensive list of configuration options. This menu is where the magic happens. Navigate to the Layout section within the menu. Here you'll find a toggle option labeled Wrap All Columns. Switch this on and voila! The text you've entered will immediately wrap neatly inside the cell. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining a tidy and readable table layout, especially if you're dealing with extensive text entries or detailed descriptions. And there you have it. Your text is now perfectly wrapped, making your Notion tables not only look more organized, but also significantly enhancing readability. This adjustment is crucial for those who use tables to manage large amounts of information or collaborate in team settings. With just these simple steps, you've mastered the art of text wrapping in Notion. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference in the presentation and usability of your workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Notion.